Welcome to this lesson. Today's objective is to apply the triangle angle sum theorem and or the exterior angle theorem to determine measures of angles inside and outside of the triangles. So, the first theorem is the triangle angle sum theorem. The sum of the measure of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, the formula is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180. So, this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals 180. Now, the next theorem is the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem states the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. By remote, it means the two ones that are not near this exterior angle. So 2 and 3. Angle 2 and angle 3 are remote. So angle 1 equals angle 2 plus angle 3, just like that formula states. Right there. So our first examples are for the first theorem for the interior. So we need to find the interior angle of these triangles. So what we would do is we would do 65 plus 57 plus x equals 180. That's the algebraic way to state it. So we're going to solve it. So first we combine like terms. So 65 plus 57. So 65 plus 57 equals 122 plus x equals 180. So then we do minus 122 minus 122. 180 minus 122 is 58. So the question mark angle equals 58 degrees. Don't forget the degrees mark. So the next one that I'm going to show you is this one. So I'm actually going to show you the shortcut this time. So we know that's 90. Let's label that immediately. So instead of having to put this whole big algebraic expression that I did right here, you can actually just do 180 minus 40 minus 90. And that'll give you the same thing. So 180 minus 40 minus 90 equals 50. So the question mark equals 50 degrees. Now, number 3 and number 4, I'm going to leave you to do yourself. So you can pause the video and I'll put the answers on. Okay, welcome back. So the next one is what happens when we need to use that same theorem that we just used before to solve one with variables. So I'm going to actually show you number 17 and number 19. And we're actually not going to worry about that one. So I'm going to show you 17. Because that one we're not ready for yet. Until the next theorem. So what we would do is we want to solve for x. So we would set this up by saying x plus 74 plus 55 plus 54 equals 180. I don't want you to do that one either. So you're just going to do 18 on your own. So what you would do is you would do 74 plus 55 to combine like terms is 129. And then we would also add, of course, plus 54. And that's 183. So x plus 183 equals 180. Now remember, you can get a negative with this, because that still won't be a problem. So we would do minus 183, because we want to get x alone, minus 183. So 180 minus 183 is going to be x equals negative 3. And now, the way we can check this, so you have x plus 74, you can factor back in x, so we would do negative 3 plus 74, which would be 71 degrees, and then we can just add 55 plus 54. So 71 plus 55 plus 54, and that equals 180. So if it comes out when you factor it back in and it equals 180, then you're good, because that's what the triangle should equal. So you can do number 18 on your own. I'm going to put the answer for number 18 on. Okay, welcome back. So the next ones that we're going to do are the exterior angle theorem. So I'm going to do number 1 and number 3. So remember, the exterior angle theorem is the exterior angle equals the sum of both the interior of the remote interior. So the this equals the sum of these two angles. So we need to set up an algebraic expression. So the algebraic expression that we need to set up, one minute, would be we should do 50 plus x, we'll call the question mark x, equals 120 degrees. So then we solve for x, minus 50, 120 minus 50 equals 70. So x equals 70 degrees. And we can check that by factoring it back in. So 70 plus 50 equals 120. So we're good. And now, another thing I want to show you is what happens if it asks for you to find the angle right here, the interior one that corresponds to the exterior one. So we're actually going to solve for that one too. So what we would do for that is we would just do 180 minus 120. Because remember, all angles on a straight line should add up to 180. So 180 minus 120 is 60. So 60, so we can check it by saying 60 plus 120 equals 180. So that's how you would find this angle right here, the interior corresponding. Okay, so the next one, after I erase this, it's not going to let me. Oh well. So, number 3, we want to figure out what this exterior angle is. So this one's really easy. We just do 70 plus 50 equals, should equal 120. Yeah, it does. So 120 degrees equals that question mark. You can pause the video and try number 2 and number 4. I'll put the answers on. Okay, welcome back. Okay, now we're going to be using that same theorem, the exterior angle theorem, to solve one for x. So our directions are solve for x. So this one's going to take a little bit more work. So what we want to do to solve for x is we would do 5x. Oh, hold on, sorry. So we do 5x plus 10 plus 58 equals 11x plus 2. Got a little squished over there, but oh well. So now we're going to solve. So we would do minus 5x, so 6x plus 2, 10 plus 58 equals, so that would be 68 equals 6x plus 2. Then we would minus 2. 66 equals 6x divided by 6. So x would equal 11. And now we can check by putting 11 in right here and 11 in right here, and then adding these two together. So 11 times 11 equals 121 plus 2 is 123 degrees. Okay, that kind of looks like a 5 right there. Let me fix that. Degrees. Okay, and then we'll factor it into 5. So 5 times 11 is 55, plus 10 is 65, plus 58. So 65 plus 58 equals 123. So we know we got it right. So that's the whole lesson or tutorial for today. Your teacher might teach it differently. So that's it.